What's up, guys? What's on? Coming in the building, like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one, peeps. Are we there with another
brand new banger?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Backyard settings again. Happy Monday. How y'all doing, man? Happy Monday. Just saying. Yeah, man, so big up yourself if you're alive right now. Yeah, you're blessed. You know what I mean? Many other people never get to wake up and see today. But if you're watching this, you're one of the blessed and lucky ones. Yeah? Yeah, man. But anyway, we're not going to itch. Make we get right into the video right now. So, that lady here, she's salt. Very, very salt. I never even know what I go on for she, but I want to listen a little thing we have here, because this don't make no sense.
I feel hungry, I go out on the road and I go look for food for buy, sir. And anywhere, if me dey on the road and the police car drive down with a curfew hours, and them carry me to jail and charge me for mass and breach a curfew. Anyway, me go a station and they lock me up and put me under $100,000 bail bond, sir. And Friday gone me go to court, sir. And the judge charged me $700,000, Mr. Prime Minister. I want to share this with you. And when they put the bail bond and it then charge me from Mr. Prime Minister. I have pressure, me sick. Mr. Andrew, me live on Newborn 2nd Street, Panny Boulevard. Miss Holness know me everything. My name Erica. Mr. Parnell's charge me, I'm a MP, sir. And I want to reach out to them. I want this comment go all about around the place because me never hear this in that history. $700,000, me want to share this with you, sir. Me feel hungry, me go out on the road and me go.
$700,000. $700,000. Alright, peeps, look up here, so. Wanna see that? Wanna see we're up there, right? Our beloved Prime Minister, the Honorable Andrew Holness, said that unvaccinated persons will eventually be on their own. And I was running through some articles, well, not article, I was running through on my timeline and I see a little article of him saying at a press meeting or one of him conference them saying that unvaccinated persons will be unprioritized regarding getting treatment or beds up by the hospital. This look away. So you're telling me, and you're telling Jamaicans that if them not vaccinated, them not get no hasty treatment, no, them not prioritize, them not go, them not go depend them own. I wonder if this is a way to initiate or to press the mandatory vaccination protocol where them have in place. Is this a way of forcing persons? Because you know our country is a God-fearing country. You know, enough Christians there. Enough Christians don't take the vaccine. Enough people not take the vaccine. Is this a way of you? Brother, this coming like some mark of the beast thing, brother. So yeah, say if you not take the vaccine, a whole heap of things not go on. And I seen where a lot of places not hiring or places who have people already saying that you have to be vaccinated. It's not a choice thing anymore. Is you have to be vaccinated. My brother and my sisters, what happened? What is happening in Jamaica? What are your thoughts on the matter? Comment down below and let me know here. What is happening? God, this not look good at all. Alright peeps, you see that video here? I love to see videos like this, and I love to see when people come together, and I love to see when people also have fun, you know, in spite of what's happening. Everybody knows that the whole pandemic is a world-changing thing. This is a big 360 on every country in the world. This little something, this little respiratory virus, but you see, in spite of everything, the Jamaican people, them still have fun, them still try different means and ways how to have fun and just cope with everything while going. Make a jump in the video. I love that video, yeah.
When there is no party to go on, we find something fun to play. Who wants to join?
Yeah. I like that. You know, I want to try something like that. I never tried that before. But the pillow though. The pillow deer though. I don't know, I just say. But anyway, peeps, I like that fun and thing. Let me know your thoughts upon that. Have you ever tried pillow war before? So I can call it pillow fight, pillow war, or blindfold pillow war. It's a little challenge thing I see enough people are going. It's fun still. Can be dangerous, but it's fun. Yeah. Open and enjoy that little video there and thing. Sharp video and thing, but guess what? I keep the pot them rolling because boy, last week I never find much content what I did like. But guess what? This week I still have to keep the fire burning in spite of everything. You know what I mean? In spite of everything, I gotta keep the pot rolling and keep it consistent and just push and keep going. You know what I mean? All if I just one or two things, I go make it work. Don't. And now stop, man. You know what I mean? Team sign us, let's go. Yeah, man. So let me know what your thoughts on the whole matter. On the lady we go on the road. She rang for breach the disaster act still, and she never have on no mask and thing. The curfew come down on her and thing. But then they say $100,000 bail bond, and then when she end up I guess she paid that, and when she finally got court, $700,000. Brother, how the judge a move, sir? 700,000. I guess the lady go out there because you know she have diabetes or she sick, as she say, and she go get some food to eat. It rougher road for her. What are your thoughts on Andrew Holness? I must say unvaccinated people are going to be on your own. That not sit well with me still. It's like unvaccinated people are going to be unimportant. This remind me of the last days then. I not tell no lies still. You know? Woo! Bless you. Achoo! As them wanna say. Achoo! Yeah man. And thing, but you look away. Clarendon. You look away. But we need to do a live on something like this, like little pressing issues like this. But let me know your thoughts on the whole matter and thing. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on the whole matter regarding everything what's happening. You know? So thank you very much for watching. Like up the video and thing, share it. Also a push. You know what I mean? Even though we wish things never so bad and we can go up on the road and do enough stage show for a lot of you guys coming on. So a lot of you people love the stage show them when we do and so, but you know we have a pandemic, so not too go on. But I run some experiment and try out some new things. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, happy Monday. And just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo! Thank you very much. Hey!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.